In Memoriam Edition, 8 questions. No multiple choice. Just respect, wit, and memory. Before launching his solo career, Ozzy Osbourne rose to fame as the lead singer of which pioneering heavy metal band? Black Sabbath. Which medical condition debuted in 1980 with a guitar solo so aggressive it could raise the dead, assuming the Dead had great taste in metal? Blizzard of Ozz. A notorious incident at a 1982 concert involved Ozzy biting the head off what kind of animal, a moment that blurred myth and mayhem? Bat. Long before reality TV saturated the airwaves, the Osbournes offered a chaotic, uncensored look at family life. What network aired it? MTV. Which guitarist, known for blending classical and metal styles, helped shape the sound of Ozzy's early solo career, and tragically died young? Randy Rhoads. Ozzy's thick Birmingham accent, drug-addled speech, and unexpected tenderness made him a cult figure. What nickname did he famously go by, both embraced and mocked? The Prince of Darkness. Sharon Osbourne played many roles in Ozzy's life: manager, wife, and producer. But how did they first meet? Her father, Don Arden, managed Black Sabbath. Despite controversies, injuries, and countless farewells, Ozzy kept touring into his 70s. What was the name of his final, postponed tour that spanned the late 2010s? No More Tours 2.